BIM model will be able to speak with a smart energy management system created by the partner TERA. This system is an integrated BMS that represents a significant advancement from conventional systems by applying machine learning and now deep neural network algorithms supported by FBK-DCIP to significantly improve forecasting of energy consumption and rest production, with specially emphasis on the maximization of self-consumption and by ensuring interoperability with a multitude of systems through the support of most key IoT protocols and building automation protocols. Among the traditional PV plants that will be installed in the district, we can find the innovation bituminous-based PV shingles used for complicated building roof geometries made of a triple junction thin film amorphous silicon absorbing blue, green and red light through 3 separate layers by the partner TEGOLA CANADESE. To meet the European goal of CO2 emission reduction, the installation of a low-temperature district heating and cooling system with a borehole field of 20 probes acting as seasonal storage will be designed. 2 geothermal heat pumps, one of 3 kW for building B6 and one of 13 kW for building B1, will be served by the 20 probes geothermal feed. The 2 heat pumps use R1234ZE as refrigerant, which has a global warming potential of 6, and they will be produced by the partner Eneren. The safety in the construction site during the renovation phase will be ensured thanks to RINA consulting, with systems such as area boundary, personal protective equipment monitoring, and anti-collision system, enforcing by real-time data and applying to construction site through a dashboard. Area boundary system monitors the presence of personnel in one of the more dangerous operating areas. Personal protective equipment system monitors the correct use of the systems and reports to the HSA supervisor. It is based on an Android app installed on smartphones, enabling verification of proper use of the protective equipments, such as helmet, harness, shoes, and so on, through continuous monitoring of Bluetooth low-energy tags installed on the equipment itself. It also monitors man-down and anti-collision detection, indoor and outdoor geopositioning of workers and monitoring of operating status, battery level, and so on. As well, the anti-collision system prevents the risk of collision between workers and construction machines, notifying the driver in real time with a visual and acoustic alarms on the presence of positioning of worker or visitors. RINA-C will also supply the environmental monitoring system, which collects data such as temperature and humidity and noise pollution from field sensors, and the waste tracking management, which compromise an open waste management system for managing logistics and traceability of different types of waste during works.